In today's troubleshoot, you guys how to fix common issues if your printer is not working on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So the first thing I would ensure is that your printer is turned on and that there's paper in the paper slot. And then you can open up the search menu, type in troubleshoot. Best result should say troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then select additional troubleshooters on the right panel. Underneath get up and running, select printer, find and fix problems with printing, and then run the troubleshooter for that. Again, make sure your printer's turned on, and then hopefully it would be able to rectify the issue here. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.